What's up, my people? Avira maybe give me a 10 or say, Inyoma, Keniro wa Keniro de Kenirisi, Waya Bogwe, wa Bavan, wa Bota, wa Be, Vinege Kai. Meno Gua Mujana, Meno Oviwa, una daughter Nai, Mrs. Precious Enwe, no your Nawu, no ya one, Egbadi Beli, no your data Ibo. Edo Gua de Nena way, or Tima Nae, Ambassador, or Sazuwa, or Mede, or don't mwe, Emi Ogmoreo. Devi Ogbono Murena or Edo Language Challenge. This challenge is for everybody. It's for the male, the female, mothers, fathers, grandfathers, grandmothers, and even little children. Everybody is carried along. There's no age limit. Or when you don't have a way, there are some things okay no qualify the Edo Language Challenge now. Or Woba, which is number 1. You introduce yourself. Utamima anywhere, then me yatam waba the way I introduce myself. Oeva, which is number 2. Uri sinwedo or who swear a poem do. You read a poem in Benin for us. Eha, which is number 3. Uri tamima oha oredo. You tell us a story in Benin language. Ladies and gentlemen, there are different prizes to be won. We have a very yummy and sumptuous prize for the first, the second, and the third. All you need to do is make a video of yourself, introduce yourself, tell us a story, read us a poem, all in Benin language. And then tell us 10 things you use in your house in Benin language and you translate it to us in English. After making that video, you send it to this number displayed on the screen and we will select our winner. And then again, if you want to be part of this Edo Language Challenge, you are free. This is brought to you by our own brother. I call him the Godfather, my own Godfather, Ambassador Osazuwa Omede, CEO Omede Multimedias. Yes, now he say make we come promote Edo. Now he say make all of us come out, come promote Edo language. Now do it them. Are you not proud to be Edo? Are you not proud to be an Edo person? Come out, let's join hands together to support this Edo Language Challenge and push it to the next level. The ground is open for everyone to participate. This Edo Language Challenge is going to last for 1 month. Entry starts 15th of September to 15th of October. 1 whole month. I beg, in order for you not to be disqualified, as you make the video, not post them for your page, send them to this number when they your screen so, and then the person will post them by itself because judges are all over the world watching and waiting to pick their winners. After making the video and you go to post it on your page or any of your social media platform without sending it to this number on the screen first, you have automatically been disqualified. A challenge now is for everybody. Orag Moyano. Waya Lare, Wagabe Boye, Iye Kotimare, Ambassador Osazuwa Omede, everybody yeke. Now you push a challenge now to the next level. Runda woman na meroji. Me to be me no go wagwana. Me have a working me. You may be send the again no bana. Now they get me have a win. Agi gwa domonogi why e we na you meji. Ero baya love wo. Wagawe challenge now. Na ya ten eni edomu sayo. Oba atokpe ise.